The night was really calm and quiet. Where is the strange crying coming from at night? Oh ho, the sound of crying from that heart. Why is the light in the house at midnight? Let's move toward the heart. Ma, I am really hungry. Please give me some food. Yes, Ma. I also can't wait. Please give me some food. Don't cry, my child. The rice will be ready soon. We need food, Ma. Oh God, save my children. I am really helpless. I also hungry too, but I want to keep my children well. God, please show me a way. Who is there? Sister, why are the children crying? They are hungry. I have nothing to feed them. Sister, tell me one thing, please. There was not a single grain of rice in the pot. Then why are you boiling water? I have compelled to do so. To see this boiling water, my children will believe that I am cooking food for them. Then they will stop crying. And I hope they would fall asleep and forget hunger. I am sorry, sister. I did not understand your helplessness. I am coming back as soon as possible. My children are sleeping with empty stomach. I have nothing to do. I am really helpless. My loving kids, forgive your mother. Sister, please take these foods for your children. And I also promise that I must look after your children throughout my life. May God bless you. Brother, who are you? I am Haji Muhammad Mohsin. My father is Haji Faizullah, who was a rich merchant. Oh, really? You are that great Mohsin, who used his riches for helping the poor, look after the sick and needy? All are our God's blessing. Don't move. I caught you stealing. Why do you need to steal? Can you not lead an honest life? I have no work. There is no food in my house. My children are crying. I steal to find food for them. Please forgive me. Don't cry. If I go to your house and find that you are telling the truth. I will pay you to do business. I swear I will never steal again in the future. Let's go to my home, sir. You will see the truth. Sure, let's move. আজকে আমরা আমাদের পরিবেশ ক্লাসে খাদ্য শৃঙ্খল অর্থাৎ ফুড চেইন সম্পর্কে শিখব। খাদ্য শৃঙ্খল বলতে বোঝায় যে প্রক্রিয়ায় খাদ্যশক্তির নিচের পুষ্টিস্তর থেকে উপরের পুষ্টিস্তরের মধ্যে প্রবাহিত হয়। এসো এবার আমরা দেখে নিই। এটা কি না ঘাস। এই ঘাসকে খেতে আসছে কে? ইয়েস, ঘাস ফড়িং। বাহ, ভেরি গুড। ঘাসকে তাহলে ঘাস ফড়িং খেলো। এবার ঘাস ফড়িংকে কে খাবে? ইয়েস, ব্যাঙ। তাহলে ব্যাঙ এগোলো, ব্যাঙ তার খাবারও পেয়ে গেল। এবার ব্যাঙকেও তো কেউ খাবে, চলো দেখি। হ্যাঁ, ব্যাঙকে সাপে খেলো। এবার সাপ কার খাদ্য দেখা যাক। একদম ঠিক, ময়ূরের। তাহলে এভাবেই আমরা খাদ্য খাদক সম্পর্ক মনে রাখব।